Welcome to Chirpyest, a new shopping tool that allows users to earn cash back while shopping online. All you have to do is sign up, shop, or share. On Chirpyest, you can shop fashion, home, beauty, and lifestyle. This includes brands like Nordstrom, Target, and thousands more. You can go to our brand section that lists our stores from A to Z. On your phone, add the Chirpyest icon to your home screen. On your mobile device, click the share icon at the bottom of the screen, then press Add to Home Screen. Now to the fun part, shopping. Once you're logged in, go to the brands page and click on any brand we are affiliated with. You will then be taken to the brand's website and cashback will automatically be activated when you shop. It's that simple. This is the easiest way to activate cashback when shopping. Now from saving money to earning money. Earn more cashback on products you are suggesting with our Create Share Link tool. It's as simple as copying and pasting your favorite products to create your own personal share link. Lastly, join our community by making your own shopping board. You can save products to your shopping board using our Create Share Link tool, then share your board. If they shop your finds, you'll earn cash back on their purchases. You can also connect your shopping board to your Instagram account and other social platforms. Check out how to download our browser extension on your desktop so you can earn cash back when shopping. And that's it. Chirp chirp.